All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So this is the front camera sample for the new G3, which is a phone that's trying to plant its feet in the US with premium looks, a good price tag, and some high-end features. So this is the 13 megapixel front camera. The rear camera shoots in 4K, and it's actually pretty good from what I could see. But how do you think this front camera is doing with the front-facing video? Now, when I look over to the viewfinder, I see the colors seem to be really accurate. I've got a lot of phones that I like to use for front-facing video. This is one of them. This is the Redmi 5 Plus, and this phone right here needs to try to beat this phone because this phone is great in a lot of ways. But this front-facing camera looks pretty good to me. I think the colors are very accurate. Audio with this phone, what do you think about the microphones that are in this device, and how does it sound? How do you think this would work for you if you decide to pick this up as your daily driver? Now, aside from the way the phone looks, I really think this is a great device. And I'll get into my 72 hours. I'll check out that video. It should be up by now, 72 hours with this phone. But again, this is just a front camera sample. It's kind of an extended look at the front camera. So what do you guys think? Oh yeah, leave a comment down below for sure.